Hey guys, I hope you all doing good and Alhamdulillah I am also fit as fiddle. Thank you so much for watching my videos and liking it. Do not forget to subscribe guys and share with your loved ones. So today we are going to discuss about a very essential topic that is regarding how to speak, how to note. So there is two parts, the left one or the right one. Okay, the right one side is officially we have to speak out, and the left side we do not follow this sentence. Okay, so today's topic's first sentence is send me the report. Guys, this is wrong. You need to say, could you send me the report? Could you send me the report? The next one is leave me alone. Could you give me a minute? Could you give me a minute? Next one is tell me when you are available. The right one is let me know when you are available. Let me know when you are available. The next one is you are wrong. The right one is I think you might be mistaken. I think you might be mistaken. The next one is that's a bad idea. That's a bad idea. The right one is I am not so sure. That is a good idea. I am not so sure. That's a good idea. The next sentence is your work isn't good. The right sentence is I am not quite satisfied with this work. I am not quite satisfied with this work. The last sentence we have I don't like the color in this dress. I don't like the color in this design or dress. The right one is I am not too fond to the color in this dress or design. I am not too fond of the colors in this design or the dress. So guys, I hope you like this video and liking it. I need your support as much as you can give me. Do not forget to like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Thank you.